you're able to stop
Yes.
the bicycle safely?
Yes.
Okay.
Alright guys, today we're running our bikes, me and my dad this time. Let's go. Alright guys, so I think in our garage I found a big spider on the web. I think it was a big spider, and then after that it looked like a cricket. And I think it is a cricket. I don't know, maybe a camel cricket, maybe. I don't even know.
If you go here and stay towards the right, I'll go behind.
Can they go in front of me?
Go here so I can keep an eye on you. I'll come next to you on the next row.
Can they go in front of me though? Because can they go in front of me though? This time we're riding there instead of walking. But Bowers and Junior's Walking Wall series. Where's the moon? Ooh. Where is the moon?
Are you filming yourself or just filming straight ahead?
Filming straight.
That's good.
It looks better.
Yeah.
We may do a part 2, but tomorrow maybe I want to walk.
And when you get to this next street, you're going to turn right.
I thought we go straight and then we turn.
Not going on the main street, you're going to go on the street to the bicycle.
But yeah, it's safer because.
Yeah, so turn right here on Sunset Drive.
And then can you go in front of me then? Wawa. Alright guys, so when I go to Wawa, I'm going to pause it. And hopefully no one steals my phone or my bike. Or Dad's bike. I'm going to film the entire ride. I'm going to go to the parking Wawa and then back. Now I'm going to pause the video and hopefully no one steals my bike or phone. Straight again or turn? Turn or...
Straight, just keep going straight.
Right. This is different. This is new. I'm facing the right way. Are we kind of going straight?
Yeah, keep going straight.
I think this is where me and Sharon got lost.
Yeah.
Remember me and Sharon walked the wall and you got lost?
Oh yeah, this is the way you went when you got lost?
Yeah, how did we get back? How did me and Sharon get back? Did we just...
Just keep going this way. This way.
Okay.
Okay, stay to the right. This is the
There is? Where?
door.
There it is.
Go.
I'm safe, yeah.
Turning. Okay, just turning.
Yeah, I know how to ride a bike. I'm like 2 years old. Hey, Barry. Barry,
Yeah.
why you sound like that?
Hi.
Straight again?
You're a big keeper.
Hi, you're it. No, actually, your bike's it. Somebody calling you?
Yeah.
If somebody calls you annoying, don't leave a voicemail, maybe. Say, I'm riding a freaking bike. Another car. I see it far away. Imagine if our bike was crashed into that car, like in GTA.
And it blew up.
They could shoot a gun. Dad, I just shot him. I just shot him with my gun. Alright guys, so we're gonna be there soon, guys. Maybe a part 2. I don't know, part 2 maybe next year, maybe next decade, or AAA. Straight again or turn? Alright. Cool beans and joey sauce with beans and joey sauce with a 5-man steak with roast beans and that. Yeah, it's cool. Or either. He's turning that way. Straight again. Okay, over here is the dangerous part. Because there's cars. Now I know how to ride a bike, but eventually sometimes I fall or crash. But I didn't actually crash, I just fall. This way has no sidewalk. Now you're in front of me, yeah. No. I didn't want to go in front. I don't know where I'm going. Fine, I'll go in front. Fine, I'll go in front. Turn. You're gonna turn? So now we're going uphill now. And just for closer. Uphill is my worst enemy. The car behind me though. Some bikes can even ride on sand. Dad, some bikes can ride on sand. Not even the car can ride on sand. Let's go. So I'm gonna park it and I'm gonna pause my video. Not the actual video. I'm not gonna end the video. I'm just gonna pause the video. And leave it there. Hopefully nobody steals it because everyone knows where Wawa is. They might see me, and they might see my bike, they know my bike, you know. Oh, you're super close now. Those cars honking at us. I was trying to tell you, but you wouldn't answer. There's walks here, six by our bikes. And then my camera's not facing the right way. It's it's like too up.
Bring it here. No. Okay, let's take.
We'll pause it.
Don't here. Take it off and carry it with you. Don't leave it outside.
Why?
Yeah. Just don't. You don't want to leave the phone out here. Yeah, put the bicycle.
I guess we're going. Alright guys, see you guys in the next video.